Grilling time's anytime, so take your outdoor cooking to the next level with a smoker. They're easy to use, bring great flavor to your meal, and give you ample free time to mingle with your guests. Follow along as we share some tips, tricks, grill hacks, and safety do's to get the most out of your smoker. Here's how. If needed, add pellets to your hopper and clean your burn pot. Once you're fueled up, you can start your smoker by simply opening the hood and setting to smoke. And an absolute safety do, keep the lid open at the beginning so the smoke can billow. Our chicken wings are prepped and ready to smoke. When tackling this tasty recipe, make sure you add your marinades or seasonings the day before. The smokiness provides a flavor that simple grilling just can't deliver. And speaking of flavor, hit different notes by experimenting with various wood pellets. Cook your dish to the desired internal temperature, then let it rest. Smokers can turn any meal into a flavorful feast. Cooking's complete. Just remember to turn off your smoker and let the shutdown cycle end before unplugging. Simply put, smoke equals flavor, so savor great taste with your very own smoker. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. For more information, visit homehardware.ca.